Hey everybody, it's Brandon again. So, as I alluded to in an earlier video, I took ChromeOS Flex off of that Beelink mini PC and I installed it onto this 2015 MacBook Air. This is a Core i7 model. It has 8 gigs of RAM, I'm pretty sure, and a 512 gig hard drive, and that Core i7 CPU from 2015. And so I'm going to go through it real quick, tell you what works, what my observations are, and then this is the device we're going to be using to test ChromeOS Flex over the coming days and weeks. This does have ChromeOS version 104 on it, and so the first thing that surprised me, even though it's a few years older, I thought being a Core i7 it would trounce the Beelink mini PC in performance, but I ran that browser bench speedometer 2.0. And let me show you what I got. I got a 48.2. And that surprised me because that Beelink mini PC with the Celeron processor got like an 80. So it kind of trounces this thing. Which is kind of a big deal on a ChromeOS Flex because unless you get into the Linux stuff, pretty much everything you're going to be doing is web-based on ChromeOS. And so for web-based applications, this kind of shows that Beelink mini PC pretty handedly trounces the 2015 MacBook Air in terms of performance. Now that's a benchmark. I just using this for the last day or two here. There's no lagginess or anything on it. It performs pretty good, but just so you know, the numbers are what they are. And I do want to show you also. Let me move this over here. I do have the Linux environment up and running. I haven't installed anything yet, but it does work. Now I am, like I said, using the super buggy, in my opinion, ChromeOS Flex 104 release. It's still having a lot of problems for me, and so I can't really speak to the stability of Linux on it. I am going to start installing stuff on here and testing that and see how it runs. But I was able to get Linux up and running with no problem on this particular MacBook Air. So if you are using a 2015 MacBook Air, just know that the Linux is going to work on it without any hesitation or problems. Obviously the external monitor display support is working because that's how I'm capturing this. I got the HDMI cable plugged in to the DisplayPort cable here, and it's going to my video capture device, and that's working fine. The sound's working. I don't have anything to play on it right now. Keyboard, mouse, trackpad, that all works. Actually, I haven't tested the SD card. Let me try that right now. Put an SD card. That's a problem I always had with that Asus laptop I got. So I just plugged in an SD card. Let's see if it comes up. And I haven't seen anything pop up yet. That might be a no on this. Let me open the Files app. Okay, well that's interesting. The SD card may not be working on this device. Let me see is this an actual SD card I plugged in? Or is one of those adapters? No, it's a real SD card. This is one I've been testing on other devices. It actually worked on the 2011 MacBook Air that I have, so I'm surprised it's not working on this MacBook Air. Nope. Okay, so no SD card support on this thing. That's something important to note. And I assume the USB ports all work. Let me just plug something in. Okay, the USB came right up. So yeah, no SD card support. Everything else seems to work fine. Let me test the camera. I haven't tested the camera yet either. Oh, that's interesting. We might not have webcam either. Okay, so this is something interesting to note. I don't think we have webcam support on this thing, and we don't have SD card support. I wonder if the microphone even works. Let me open a sound recorder. Alright. Oh, got to allow microphone. Test, we're testing here. Let's see if we can play that. Microphone. Test, we're testing here. I didn't hear anything. So we might not have a microphone or a camera. This actually maybe is not good. Here's another test. Here's another test. Here's another test. Here's another test. All right. That's interesting. I was singing its praises at the beginning of the video, but as we go through here, then my praises are falling off a cliff rapidly. Let me just double check that the sound works at all. What is this? I thought that was going to be a video.
Meet Nest Aware, a subscription service that works with all your Nest cameras, speakers, and
maybe
displays.
the microphone works, but the sound doesn't even work. Oh my gosh. This situation gets worse and worse by the minute, folks.
Subscribe today at Google Store.
Oh, I think I know what's happening. Since I have this HDMI plugged in, it's probably doing the sound through that. Yeah. Okay, that's embarrassing. Just forget you saw what you just saw, guys. Okay. The sound works. Maybe the microphone works too. Let's try those recordings again.
Here's another test. Here's another test.
Okay. That's a relief. So the sound and the microphone both work. Maybe the camera still doesn't work. I'm sticking with that. Let me just close it and open it up one more time to check. Alright. Here's the deal. We have sound. We have microphone. No camera, no SD card. Performance, not the fastest. I've tested ChromeOS Flex on, but not bad. So over the coming days here, we're going to be putting this thing through its paces. Any Linux applications you guys want me to check, let me know. Or anything else you want me to test, and I'll do that. I was worried for a minute there. I thought half the stuff didn't work. But it turns out it does. I just got confused because I have it plugged in with this cable here, and my brain doesn't work like it used to. But so here we are. Let me know what you want me to test on this 2015 MacBook Air with ChromeOS Flex. We're going to do a few videos using this device going forward because it is better than the other laptops I've tested Flex on. It's not going to be as fast as that mini PC, so just seeing this, I don't have any hopes at all for gaming on this thing. We will install Steam just to see what happens, but I don't think it will be able to run anything that mini PC couldn't run. So anyway, that's what we got going on. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Bye now.